morning, students. Welcome to your social science virtual class. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the indoor leisure time activities. Today, we will discuss about outdoor activities. Indoor games are very good, but we cannot ignore the importance of outdoor games. After spending long hours in a classroom, you want to play in fresh air in the open playground. That are outdoor games. People also look forward to some outdoor activities. The advantages of outdoor games are it supplies fresh air to our lungs, which is necessary. It refreshes the mind in a natural way, because after doing work for a long time, if we are playing outside, then we are getting the fresh air and we are feeling relaxed after that. That refresh our mind and body both. Next is it keeps our body fit. Everyone enjoys freedom from enclosed space, still air, and the cocooned environment. Everyone wants to play outside, move outside so that they can get fresh air and get the clean environment. Moreover, most outdoor activities involve a large number of people and hence develop the qualities of team spirit, cooperation, tolerance, and leadership quality. If we will play in a group, then we will improve our tolerance. Team spirit will inculcate, and we also learn about the leadership and cooperation. The outdoor sporting activities have a greater appeal as compared to indoor games, because people like to enjoy outdoor games in place of indoor games. Without a doubt, we can say that cricket is most popular game in India. Indians enjoy all formats of the game. The formats of game of cricket are test matches, one day match, or 2020. Cricket is played, watched in stadiums or even on television by thousands of people. Some like to play cricket, some people like to watch the matches in stadium, and some like to watch matches on television. All these are leisure time activity. Either played or watch, both are leisure time activities. Cricket is played, watched in stadium and even in television. The national game of India is hockey. At one time, India was a world champion in hockey. Now, our hockey players are trying to regain the same position with their training and determination in hockey. The other popular outdoor games are football, lawn tennis, polo, horse riding, etc. Kabaddi and Kho-Kho have been popular in India since olden times, and especially in the rural areas. But in recent times, Kabaddi has become very popular game. These games increases our physical fitness, quickness of movement, mental alertness, and the team spirit. Moreover, they do not require any expensive equipment and can be played anywhere. Many people enjoy cycling, skating, walking, or jogging in park All these are also lesser time activities. Yoga classes are also a great attraction in parks and yoga centers. The old as well as the young person practices pranayam, the breathing techniques and the asanas, different body postures. These are also famous. And some people also enjoy exercising in open space. All these activities which are played or which are done in open areas, these are outdoor activities. Thank you.